For example, Azad Erecta indica which is one plant selected to this student. Selected plant should be the biological name, botanical name, vernacular name as a Kadu name, Marathi Kadu name, general information of plant. Then you have to write the economic importance of the plant. You have to write your name. For example, Akshay Pawar, SYBSc 2013, 23, 24. Information collected by Akshay Pawar, so and so. Year, SYBSc, so and so. Done? Okay. Now this file is ready. After decoration, convert that file into the PDF. Upload that PDF on Google Drive. Generate a link. Make it as a viewer. By default, this is a restrict. Make it as a viewer. Copy link. Done? Copy link. Link is copied. Go to the QR code generator. QR code generator. Open the QR code generator. Okay. Now see the difference. This will be the by default QR code. We are going to copy our link. This will be the by default. Now copy the link and see the difference. Paste. Difference. Okay. Download the QR code. Download. Now check the QR code in it. Download it. Rename it as a Google. So it is Azad Erecta indica. That is the name of plant. Okay. And that QR code paste in our Word file. Paste in our Word file. Okay. So how many plants are available in our campus? For example, 15 plants. Make a copy paste of 15 plants. Get a printout on a waterproof print. So as per size, आपण ते लेबल किती मोठा लावणार आहे त्याच्यावरती तो QR कोड किती मोठा करायचा त्याच्यावरती साईज ठरवायची त्याची प्रिंट मारायची एका साईडला येईल आता दाखवतो एका साईडला QR कोड एका साईडला मारायचा आझाद एरेक्टा इंडिका त्याच्या खाली कडू लिहून टिक आणि त्या प्लॉटमध्ये टाकून द्यायचं आता काय होईल हा विद्यार्थी याला काहीच माहिती नाही त्या प्लॉटचं आझाद एरेक्टा इंडिका तो काय करेल फक्त आपला काय करेल QR कोड that student will scan the QR code. After scanning QR code, so that student will get information of coding. If it is more decorated, it will look good. It is your duty to make a more decorative. Make a QR code, paste it, download, paste it on the Word file.
Thank you for listening and your patience.